The Barkan fixed, no-stud, no-drill wall mounts for drywall fit a wide range of televisions according to the model specifications. Easily and safely mount the TV on the wall without drilling. All the necessary hardware is included. Hammer the arrow anchors to the wall to increase stability with the included finger-saving tool. Insert the screws into the anchors and level the wall plate. Hammer the nails with the finger-saving tool. Main features of the mount are a patented auto-locking safety mechanism to prevent disengagement of the screen, no wires or moving parts that might fail or break, 2 hanging points on each side. The patent was approved in the USA, China, and more countries. Extra wide and high wall plate for extra stability. Lateral adjustment of the screen after the installation. Easy and accurate installation tool includes a bubble level, nail and anchor holder, and even a bottle opener. The mount has a 5-year warranty. If you want to see more of our products, visit our website.